Hi. A new compilation of footage from around the world is ready. There are so many great videos out there that it's just impossible to hold them back. Get comfortable and let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
I have a question for you. Have you ever been given unexpected and very large gifts? Perhaps a friend or family member invited you to a restaurant to give you the keys to the house or something else. If yes, then you will definitely understand the joy of the person who has just been given this baby. And it's not just some keys, everything is much grander and bigger here. This lucky guy seems to be so much loved that his huge gift was driven right to his table. We can only envy. It's amazing how just 1 millisecond can make the heart beat twice, or even 3 times more often.
Hello, motherfucker.
Although usually in such cases the heartbeat is reduced to 0. But there are also enough lucky ones. Consider yourself born again. To make it clear that you are an unwelcome guest here, a menacing look and a couple of steps will be enough. Everything is clear and understandable. It's clear to everyone that you were sent to hell from here. It's a pity, but this long-awaited trip to the sea is not destined to happen. Most likely, this is again the tricks of this guy from past videos. So much trouble from him. We are all inherently unique and special. But there are those who differ more than others. Those who do not obey stereotypes. If I show you this video and ask how it will end, almost 90% will say that now this car will shatter into splinters from a passing train. And here it is not. Since uniqueness comes into play. If you can't decide to leave your job, just make it so that it's no longer possible to leave your job. For example, you may owe a company several $100,000 for one awkward move. This is of course all sad and terrible. But there's an insane amount of sparks. Even a bonfire does not produce such an amount, or an angular grinding machine. What is the reason for this? That's what I call beautifully left the frame. Do you believe in omens? I'm not. But after such a warning, even an ardent skeptic would turn around and drive away. Taking a ride with the breeze is a great pastime, but wetting your pants with the breeze is a completely different level.
Hello, motherfucker. Hello, motherfucker.
A mixture of entertainment and stupidity is a dangerous cocktail. I remember we were convinced that God has some kind of plan for each of us and therefore, at some moments, we miraculously escape from death. So, I found another confirmation. Otherwise it is impossible to explain such miracles. The guy just got a little dusty and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave likes and write comments, this will help the video in promotion. I love you all. See you soon. Peace.